everyone, my name is Joy, licensed nail technician, and I'm going to show you all today step-by-step nail art with black polish. So in addition to my black polish here, I also am going to be using a white polish and a silver nail art with a striper brush attached. So of course you will start off with a black polish, coating the nail, and you want to do 2 coats of black. Make sure that everything is nice and opaque. Okay, and you will want to actually let it dry just a little bit before you move on to the next step. So I'm going to use this one here that's already been prepped a little bit and given some time to dry. Okay, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to just take a bit of white polish and I'm going to coat half the nail with it. Okay, going down to the middle of the nail. Okay, and then I'm going to follow up with my silver striper here in just a second. And as you can see, the line at the bottom is not exactly even, but we're actually going to go over that with the silver. So not such a huge deal. Okay, so I'm take the silver striper and I'm going to go right over the space between the 2 colors. Okay. And we're going to actually do two coats to make it just a bit thicker. And if you need to turn your brush, you can to get to the edge of the nail. Okay, there you go. You have a nice 2-tone black nail art there. Okay, so go out and have fun with your nail art, guys, and thanks for watching. My name is Joy. Bye.
Thank you.